When I come here, Madonna's, I just wake. But I say I go wash my face because I don't want to see no white squall on my mouth and I don't see it. I have all my glasses. So, I want to share something with you now. Something personal. Yesterday I posted a picture up on my Facebook page with Nelly Ashanti. And I writing at the caption, I say, if you love something, set it free. If it come back, it is yours. If it doesn't, it never was. And I say, I don't mind be a fly upon the wall for ear where them say to each other, why them laugh like that. It just brings so much joy to me to see people happy. I love to see people happy. And that laugh, you can know say it real, it genuine. Because a picture tell 1,000 words in a man. And you can tell. And I repost it because I saw it. And they were together, me get to understand for so many years, them break apart and now them find them way back to each other. And as I say, I just love to see people happy. But let me get into the story now. You see, when we meet my husband, them time them I do self-evaluation with myself because I've been into relationship and them just never work out. I just want to stay by myself and feel know my values, know my worth, and stop jumping a relationship where just not worth it. And them time there is like when I meet him, they on me, my high. But they on my high because I decide I'm not make no man take me for fool again. And maybe not say them take me for fool, but just tell myself say the next relationship with me I go get in me not gonna make no man tell me what them want to tell me. Me I go tell them what me want to tell them, cause me do me self value, me do me self worth, and even though my husband help me to get there, but me was firm, say, me I go stand up for myself. Anyways, cause I was out of a relationship for almost 4 years, and I was just focusing on taking care of my children them. Me no want a man in between that and getting problems and anything happen, blah blah blah. I was thinking all kind of things. But me do my value for myself and say me know what me want. So anyways, when we meet my husband, me and him was friends for a very long time. We communicate and all of that. But why me say me post the caption is because it reminds me of something. When me and my husband was together, living together, me I rush the story because me don't want the video too long. Living together, on my birthday, him carry me, go buy me something. Him carry me at one jewelry store. Him meet him brother and him brother girlfriend at one jewelry store downtown on my birthday. But like 4 weeks before that, him tell me say he was going to migrate. Me and him was together, and he was friends for so long, and him never tell me say him a go migrate. And as I say, me I get personal. Him never tell me say I was going to migrate till about a month before my birthday. So him carry me in the jewelry store and him say, him walk over to the married rings them and him say, which one of them ring here you would have like? So I give him the side eye. Because I was upset with him, when he tell me say I'm migrating because me been with him and him don't tell me nothing. So I did kinda upset. And anyways, me never upset like that but me I say me been with somebody now, fall in love with them and now them a go like. So all of that work when me put in, this a come happen to me again. So I'm upset with myself. I never really upset with him because I'm happy for him to get the opportunity. But me never fully understand migration. And him teach me about them something there now. So I never know nobody will migrate before or them something. So I never really understand the whole process of it. Anyways, comedy is still young. And anyways, him asked me which one of the ring them would I like. And we give him the side eye and him say why. And him right there in the jewelry store, him said to me, say, you not married to me? And I said, not right now. Yes, but not right now. And him said, why? And I said, because you're leaving. You're going to leave. He said, but me not leave now. I said, no. I said, no. Then time that him get through, you know, but him just never ready for leave. And I said, no. Go on, go fetch. Me now make you tie me up down here. And then, this is exactly what I said to my husband. Me now make you tie me up down here. And then when you go foreign, you meet all of them white girls there and all of them girls the way you like. And left me down here. Me now go make you do that. So, him saying come for buy one earring for me. One big loop earring. I have it up to now years, you know. And him say, him da go buy this without telling me. But him said, this is really what him a go buy me. But you could have see say, him I wonder if me love him. Cause me tell him say me love him. We express that to each other over and over and over and over. So it kind of puzzling because me tell him right they said no, me not married. Anyways, when I come out of the store now, we are walk go papa a King Street with the go on. And he buy the earring, cause him see some I love the big loop earring them, and but the one them I always buy the little cheap one them will change, cause me couldn't afford fee buy them one there. So him buy me the big loop earring, and that was it. That him gave me that for my birthday, and then another night we go out to have dinner. So that was my first birthday being together. So while we are walking, I go up King Street, him stop me again and him said to me, say, a joke you make, right? So I said, what you mean? You wanna marry to me? And I said, no, not right now. And then me explain to him again and I say, baby, I go away. And I don't know what your life is gonna be like when you go away. You're there millions miles away from me. You might go up there, find somebody and them something. Me prefer set you free. I prefer set you free. I love you enough to set you free. If you decide that you want to come back and marry to me, me not gonna tell you no. Him say me I gonna move on and me I gonna have relationship, but if he married to me, me might not move on. I said no. If you be loyal to me, and you love me as you say you do, me not gonna wait. I go talk, I go communicate every day, and to till that time come. And but anyways, me never leave right away. Him decide say him a go spend more time with me, and him not rush to leave because him didn't have good job, and him stay. And so till something go down, right? Something go down, and me and him fall out. And why me and him fall out is because him do something where out of my value, and is me don't know if I cheat him cheat, but him go away, and me and my husband go and market. I should have told him that story at a different time, but it's him did something that me not approve of, and then me forgive him for it, and then him do it again, and that pissed me off. That fly me right to the roof. Like me I say, we weren't together with nobody for almost 2 years before me and you together. And me I evaluate myself, you know, if I understand who I am, what I value, my self-worth and everything. We work so hard. And then you go do this. After me I have so much communication. That friggin' hurt my feelings. And because of that, me and him never fall apart right there, so. But there was something else happened. I mean, we get into the story, but it long, so we get into it another time. I have to explain what happened to you. But I'm just saying, the picture I posted today, me and my husband was apart. Me and him was apart. And when me and him was apart, me feel like me that gonna explode. I feel like I don't know what to me. And me, cause him figure, because of what him doing, It's like me decide to me now forgive him. Or me I go teach him a lesson, cause that's what me like teach lesson, Me like to teach lesson that weird here and show off myself. And then now it fall back on me. Cause me never expect him for going, Me just not talk to him. Me never tell him say me and the relationship done in our anything, Me just malice him for so long. Like me just don't want to talk to him. And when he tell me say me just not bite. When him tell me what him do, me just not bite. Because I've been into so much situation and it raise a horn in my head. So when you do certain things, it trigger me. And me and you talk about these things before. I don't know if you try to prove something, if you try to prove something love you or what, or you play a game. But as much as it hurt me so bad, I decide to say, I'm going to stand my ground. Stand my ground, it end up that me and him, break apart. Yeah. Junior, stand up for myself, me and him break apart. But to say this to say that, me can't tell you the story another time, just know I'm going there right now. But if you love something, sometimes you have to set it free. And then my husband go away, me and him still did not communicate. Still, throughout whatever, the break, everything, me and him still communicate a little. And so till him decide, say, this is it. Maybe in test the waters, in find himself in some with other things going on in life. Not really problems, but other things happening in a film life. And I don't know if I should have share certain things. But at the end of the day, a man know what them want. And even if them go back out there and test the waters, if you love somebody, you love somebody. And something when my husband say, him numbers, me can't tell any numbers, but him tell me say, him have been with over so much woman and been through or been with. Me not tell any numbers, that personal. And him never one day think say, him would have get married until when he meet me. And that stand out to me. And a man know what they want. Always remember say, no matter how you see a man go around, if you see a man there with a woman for so many years, and don't talk about marriage, or him still a try to find something. I believe say him still a try to find something, or he maybe don't happy with it. That is what me think. I don't know. Me just think if a man listen to this video, wanna tell me when you meet a woman, you can be with a woman because I don't know comfort, or you just been with a woman because you just but you not look for something else. You know right off the bat when you been with that person, say, that person here is not, me don't want that person here for the rest of my life. A woman too, but me just been in a relationship as a comfort. A woman too, but I'm telling you, a man definitely know when they want a woman to be them wife. Them know, them see it. And my husband, when he used to come on my house, come look for me, him say, him should have be the first man for me. Him tell me that. He said, you should have be the first man for you. And then him say, them kids here we have a run around, them should have be mine. And him used to go on like him never want to eat my food, I'm not going to tell you that story here, but him used to go on like him never want to come on my house, and me a cook up storm, and all my house, if you drop pin in my house, you can see it. Clean, spotless. When me bathe my kids, them, lotion them time that them small, all of them small. Mika was 2. Mika was 2 plus when me meet my husband. But him never get it. No, Mika, when him just start come on my house, me meet him when Mika 2, but when him just start come on my house, Mika 4 plus. So them little, I mean used to be all of them same way. Be them lotion them and everything. And him said just all me care for my family, my children them, and all me care for my home and them something there. Him been and watch them something there for a while him a come there. And him just say, God, this exists. It's just the continuing care when I have for my children them. Draw him to me. So a man pay attention to details and pay attention to things and know when a woman is real. I just that me say. You see Nelly Ashanti leave, that smile with the on him face. Me put in the caption say if me could have be up fly upon the wall, that would have been so nice. Because you hear what them say. But happiness is everything in a relationship. And if you're not happy, it don't make no sense it together. And it seems like when him break off with her, him realize say he make a mistake. And see them end up back together. Me and my husband. That's why I post that picture there with Nelly. And write that caption there. So there's so much more I could have shared, so much more I could have shared, we don't know. But me I cut it now because I have to run. But big up on a nice clean self. And tell me if you don't learn anything out of that video. Blessings.